Hey everybody, welcome back. I just walked inside of Dollar Tree and I always check out this little section first. This is like my go-to, and they do have a bunch of new stuff that just recently came out. There's the apples. They have a lot of these. Some crosses up here. There's the Christmas candles. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. There's the cactus. That's nice. They have faith. Be still and know that I am God. And then there's one back there that says believe. And these over here.
I want to find something for Halloween.
This location has put out more of their buckets up there. I don't remember seeing this one. I like that. They do have these the little canisters. And they have put out some of these boxes. Let It Snow. You have that one. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Have yourself a merry little Christmas with the red truck. You got the penguins. Here's some glasses. It says, Dear Santa, the wine made me do it. The wine has a hat on it. That's cute. Here's these little mailboxes. It says Santa, North Pole. I like that. That's that one. Has a tree on the front. This one. And I think I see one more down here. That one. And they come in different sizes. You have large and small, or even tiny. Look at that. Here's a LED light set. Look at that. It has the little mesh tubing. And it looks like that. That's kind of cool. I only see the white LED lights. I don't see any other colors, but they're up here. They put out some new jars. These are kind of cute. They kind of look like the other ones that have been around, but just a little different. I see blue and red, and I believe I see a white one back there. Yeah. Here's some relief soothing oatmeal bath treatment compared to Aveeno active ingredient. Relieves itches and rashes due to poison ivy, eczema, and all of that. And it's fragrance free. You get 6 single-use packets in here. They have some Cepacol. Is it Cepacol? Sore throat lozenges. You get 4 of them in here. That is a really good brand. It says Instamax. Fill it in seconds. With benzocaine. So if you need this, these are definitely good. But you get 4 for $1. Oh, look at these little glass containers. And it has the lid and a handle. I like that. Never seen these before. They have some new cups. Usually we see these, you know, they're always here, but they like to switch out the wording. So this one says wake up and smell the coffee. I like that one. But first coffee. This has been in here, but I think they just changed the color. Sit back and relax. And I think that might be it. Take it to go. And I think rise and grind. I am taking a peek at the wrapping paper, and they do have some red truck wrapping paper, just in case anybody's looking. The cute little polar bears. Oh, look at that one. That's cute. And then over here, I saw that one with the llamas, the little dogs, and look at that, some donuts. That's right here. And these are by Hallmark. Okay. And I was able to find the red trucks, so I'll be getting both of these. Here's some cute gift tags. You get 16 of them in there. I like that one. You have that one, or you can get this style right here. They're putting out their tags like that, and some of their bags. Blame it on the elves. Keep calm and blame it on the elves. That's cute. More bags over here. Dear Santa. Jingle all the way. Joy to the world. They have brought back their Elmer chocolate right here. Premium chocolates. There's a few different ones. Creamy caramels, cocoa truffles, and I also see Barton's caramel peanut crisp clusters. And I think I'm gonna walk away from this. Right here you have some motion sensor snowmen. It says try me. Oh gosh. Okay, turn it. It won't turn off, but that's cute. Okay, and then Santa. Those are cute. Over here I see some butter pecan real ice cream, 14 fluid ounces. Ooh, that sounds so good. I love butter pecan. And they have French vanilla. Up here they have some mini vanilla cream puffs by Dolce Toscano. And I also see these mini custard filled iced eclairs. Over here by the toilet paper, they usually carry the Scott. I always see that, but today I see Cottonelle. And I think this is I love Cottonelle. This is like the only tissue I buy. So 4 rolls for $1, I think is pretty good.